Hey, this will be a video chart on MDMN. Got quite a few requests for it today, and I can see why. Not only did volume increase quite a bit compared to what it's been the past week and a half, but more importantly, the price action was bullishly corresponding with it. As I've said before, there's nothing worse than seeing increasing volume come in and then see the price either go sideways or worse yet, down. That was not the case today, though, for this one. Volume came in, bulls reacted accordingly, setting it up for what could be a very interesting next week. So I want to just go over the chart, break down some supports, resistances, and that way everybody has an idea of what to look for, technically speaking, next week. The first thing to point out is, and from 2 points of view, one because it's a key level of support, another because it makes a good educational example. But this big move came, then when the price pulled back, and lo and behold, look right where it pulled back to. This purple line here, which is the 50-day simple moving average. If you're not familiar with charting, there's kind of two godfather moving averages, I like to call them, one of them being the 50-day and the other one being the 200-day, which is this orange line. But sure enough, came down here, and then a very nice bounce off of it. And although it didn't quite hit it right there, still got in within the range of it. So what's my point I'm trying to make besides pointing out an educational example? The 50-day is going to be the key level of support. You do have some, minor ones, like right here. You have this blue one, which is the 10-day simple moving average. So yes, 11.5 cents is the level of support, but in the grand scheme of things, and in terms of the overall level that you want to see hold strong, that's going to be right here at the 50-day simple moving average. Now for resistance levels, the fun stuff, the one that seems to be coming through right now is based right around this level right here. Why do I say that? Well, if we look through the history of the chart, you can see that, although not exact, right here acted as resistance a couple days. Actually, right there it acted as resistance again, but then when the price did get through it, you can see the nice pop happened, came down, acted as support right there, and then when the price did get below it, you can see on this day the price tried to get back above it but couldn't quite do it. And then right here, obviously, the price tried to get above it and couldn't quite do it. So this level is roughly, we'll just call it 14.5 cents is going to be the key level of resistance right now that the bulls are going to need to push through. So currently, the bears have a strong hold up here right around the 14.5 cent level. But if the price can get through there, then really the next support, or excuse me, resistance level is not going to be all the way until up here at the previous highs, which is above 18 cents. So that could be a nice little breakout move if the price can get through the 14.5 cent level. We'll make that one extra thick because this level will be a pretty significant level of resistance. But obviously one step at a time. Let's first make sure the bulls can get through this 14.5 cent level. So that is where the chart currently stands going into next week. Keep your eye on the 50-day for the overall support, 14.5 for the key resistance right now, and then after that up above 18 cents for the next big level of resistance. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and subscribe to the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We've been making some good money together on our alerts. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was MDMN. Thanks for listening, and enjoy your weekends.